Hi, and welcome back to Mathematics. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 2.12. Number, writing 5-digit numbers in expanded form. Let's take a look at this abacus. What number is shown on the abacus? You see, we have this one is 10,000, TTH. TH means thousand, H, 100, T, tens, and ONES, ones. So the 10,000 has 3 bits. That means is 3 times 10,000, which is 30,000. The 1,000 has 8 bits, which is 8 times 1,000, which is 8,000. The 100 has 2 bits, which is 200. 200. The tens has 1 bit, which is 10. And the ones has 5 bits, which is 5. So what number do the bits on the head on each of the other place value rods show? Let's write them in the expanded form right here. So we have 3 bits. So it will be 3 times 10,000, which is 30,000. We have 8s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits. 8 times 1,000, which is 8,000. The 100 place we have 2 bits, which is 2 times 100, which gives us 200. We have one bit in the tens. So that is 10. 1 times 10, 10. We have 5 bits here. So in the ones place, so 5 times 1 is 5. So how does this equation match the abacus? We can write it in expanded form and add them all together to form one number. If you want to write 32 in expanded form, we can write it as 3 times 10, because this is tens, 3 tens, 3 times 10, and 2 ones, 2 times 1. Add them together, you get 32. And for this equation, we do the number sentence in the parentheses. 3 times 10, 30. 2 times 1, 2. So 30 plus 2 equals 32. Now let's take a look at the workout. Look at each expression. Circle the correct product. 4 times 10,000. Is it 40,000, 4,000, or 400? That's correct, 40,000. So we circle 40,000. Part B, 5 times 1,000. Is it 50,000, 5,000, or 500? 5,000, that's correct. Now let's go on to number 2. Look at the abacus, then write the value of the bits on each rod. So right here we have 10,000, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bits. So we have 7 times 10,000. 7 times 10,000 is 70,000. The thousands, we have no bits here. So we depict it as 0. 0 times 1,000 is 0. 100, we have 4 bits. So 4 times 100 will give us 400. Tens, we have 1 bit. So 1 times 10 is 10. The ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits. So 6 times 1 will give us 6. Now number 3. Write a 5-digit number on each expander, then write the same number in the expanded form. So let's write, for example, 64,102. So how do we write this in the expanded form? So the 6 is the 10,000, is in thousands, 10,000s. So we write 6 times 10,000. The 4 times 1,000. 100, we have 1. For the 10, we have 0. And for the ones, we have 2. There you go, folks. Now, part B. Let's take another number. Let's use 37,982. So the 10,000 will be 3. The thousands will be 7. The 100 will be 9. The tens will be 8. And the ones will be 2. There you go, folks. Now let's go on to number 4. Write each number in expanded form. So now let's write this in expanded form. We're going to use the parentheses. 2 times 10,000 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 2 times 1,000. Open parenthesis 4 times 100 plus 1 times 10. 8 times 1. There you go, folks. Now part B. We have 10,000. 1 times 10,000. Close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 6 times 1,000. Close parenthesis plus 7 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 9 times 1. There you go, folks. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Write the number that has been expanded. So here we have 63,000. $890. No ones. There's no ones, so 90. Now let's go on to practice 2.12. Practice 2.12, number 1. Look at the abacus, then write the value of the bits on each rod. So for the 10,000, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. 5 times 10,000 will be 50,000. For the thousands, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 1,000 will be 7,000. 100, 0, no bits, so we have 0, which is equal to 0. The tens, we have 3. 3 times 10 will be 30. The ones, we have 2, so 2 times 1 is 2. There you go, folks. Now let's go on to number 2. Write a 5-digit number on each expander, then write the same number in expanded form. Part A. So, student, I want you to write any number. You have to do this yourself. Write any number in the expander and write the expanded form of that number. Do part A and part B. Do it now. Okay, now let's assume we have 36,547. This is just an example. And part B, we have 61,804. So let's write them in the expanded form. So the 10,000 will be 3. The thousands will be 6. The 100 will be 5. The tens will be 4. And the ones will be 7. Now, part B. The 10,000 will be 6. The thousands will be 1. The 100 will be 8. The 100 will be 0. The ones will be 4. Now let's do number 3 together. Write each number in expanded form. So we have 55 times 1,000, 10,000 I mean, plus 8 times 1,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 6 times 10 plus 1 times 1. Part B. 1 times 10,000 plus 9 times 1,000 plus 7 times 100 plus 0 times 10 plus 6 times 1. Now part C, we have 4 times 10,000 plus 7 times 1,000 plus 0 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 5 times 1. There you have it. Check your answers with this and do the necessary correction.